So today I'm getting this Ratrod up off the floor. I've got to work on the rear suspension. So what you need to build the suspension is you need to have the weight sitting on the vehicle, and you can't just have the body up on jack stands because you don't know where your ride height is. So I've got this. That's what it looks like right now. I got 14 8-foot 2x4s. I cut them up into 16-inch sections, and I'm going to build some crib blocks and get that up here. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is get a square. And look at this. I just happen to have a square right here. Look at that. So you just have to get it square for the first couple so that they don't, so they're not wonky. And then build them up, two. You'll see what's going on. I'll put one together, I'll put it partly together, and then I'll get back to you. So the best thing to do is to put your 4 corner screws in first. Get the corners all flushed up nice. Put the 4 corner screws in, then use your square to make it square, like so. I mean, give or take, doesn't have to be perfect, but. And then once you get those 4 in, you get it square. Put the next 4 in. That'll lock it all in square, and then you don't really need your square after that. Just build them up to whatever height. I'm going 10 layers, so we'll see how that works out. Do yourself a favor, use an impact driver if you can. Also use beer and 2.5-inch screws. Just regular construction screws are good. And I got a lot of work ahead of me, so check. Okay, so I've got the 4 bases put together. They're square. Just one quick thing though. When I put the original base together, I put the 4 corners in. So when you go to put your next layer on, don't go corner again. These ones are corner and inside. These ones go opposite. If you know what I'm saying. So if you look at the last one that you did, you can almost just copy that like that. That way you're not drilling into the head of the other screw. I mean, depends how accurate you are. I'm pretty goddamn accurate, so guaranteed I'm going to hit a screw every time. So just alternate back and forth. And then go to town, light it up, turn that in that. Turn one into the other, just a few screws. Pretty straightforward. Alternate screws. Not everything's always the same length, but if you cut them with a stop on your saw, you get it pretty accurate. Like mine are within a 1/16 of each other. They look pretty good. So now to get it underneath the wheels. That's a whole nother story. We'll get into that next episode. Check you later. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. Don't forget.